and I'm not sure if we're gonna be able to get to the location, which is still 15 minutes away, and have time to take pictures, find a place to park and all that before the sun sets and it starts to rain. If that happens, all right. What's up, y'all? What's up? So today I'm about to be putting my car on TURO. So I'm pretty pumped, you know what I'm saying? Pretty pumped. I just got back into DC yesterday. Had such an amazing time with the i8. If you guys haven't watched that video of my birthday weekend with the i8, you gotta watch it. And like, I think what the i8 really did in my life, you know what I'm saying? Like, I got a takeaway from it. And I feel like it really made me want to work a lot harder so I can make that a daily thing. Like, the i8 just, man, watch the video. Go watch the video. I'm not gonna talk about it. But anyway, so I'm gonna put my car up on TURO. So today it's kind of sunny, it's kind of nice. But the sun is gonna be setting in like 30-40 minutes. So I'm about to go over to the car wash. It's 20 minutes away, and then hopefully we could get some good pictures before the sun sets. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a car wash, even though it's raining tomorrow, which I kind of am like, it's kind of irritating because like I know that the car wash is kind of for nothing. When I could just wait until it stops raining and then my car will be clean. But I mean, I guess I gotta get the inside clean anyway, so it's not too bad. So yeah, let's go ahead. Wait, where my keys at? Where my keys?
My keys, god damn it, my keys on the thing.
It's good. All right, so I mean, it's like it's not really dirty in here, you know what I mean? There's just a few things I gotta clean up, but I'm gonna have them go through the whole car. All right, so I'm about to put the radio on, and I'm tired of getting copyrighted, so I'm not gonna film me driving there because then it's gonna get copyrighted from the song in the background. So I'll see y'all when I get there. Well, surprisingly, I'm actually not the only one here, so I don't know what I don't know what everybody else's reason is for like getting a car wash 12 hours before it rains, but yeah, I really don't know. Maybe they didn't check the weather, or maybe they want the inside clean. I really don't know, to be honest, but it's about the same size line as it is on a regular like week where there's no rain, so that's kind of weird. But you know, to each their own. Let's see, what am I gonna do? I think I'm gonna get the ultimate wash. Yes, seems like a good one. So let's see. Yeah, it's like $24. Add the Rain X, it's gonna be about $30. After I get my car freshener, it's probably gonna be like $40.
-3, that's 4 quick maths.
I'm gonna drop $40 real quick, but we're gonna make it back. Make it back. Stimulating the economy right now, okay? All right, well, let me go ahead and get my stuff out of here. Oh son, it smelled good. It smelled good in here. It looked clean. I didn't know my car was dirty till it got clean. But anyways, while I was there, right, I was looking at the different car fresheners, and like I usually stick with my little Aloha Hawaiian or whatever because like it's been working good. But I was like, you know what? I want to step it up. I want to get something different this time. You know, I'm trying to get something luxurious. Like, do they have any luxurious, you know, car freshener smells, right? And I found this one when I was looking for like clean car, new car, whatever. And I found this one, and it's called Arion Gold perfume. Okay, and I was like, oh, okay, you know what I'm saying? All right, Slim, all right. So I picked it up, I smelled it or whatever, and it smelled mad good, and it smelled mad luxurious. So I bought it, and it came in this super like luxurious box, which is kind of weird, but I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what it looked like. Yeah, so that's what it looked like. But yeah, so I bought that. So now before I give the car to anybody, they could go ahead and have that in there. And this, I feel like after getting it clean, like this is a nice car. You know what I mean? Like, I really think that this is a nice car for somebody to rent out. So I'm excited. Trying to make this money. You know what I'm saying? Coming for that i8. We coming for it. We coming so hard for this i8, man. We really are. We really are. So I need to be at a place where I can afford easily and easy, you know. Actually, I'm not even gonna talk about that right now. That's gonna be a whole video for itself because it kind of gets a little complicated. And I'm just gonna break down the numbers to like when I'm really gonna be able to buy my i8 and afford it comfortably. Yo, I got some bad news. The sun is setting rather quickly, okay? And I'm not sure if we're gonna be able to get to the location, which is still 15 minutes away, and have time to take pictures, find a place to park, and all that before the sun sets and it starts to rain. If that happens, this whole thing is gonna have to get set back. This whole thing is gonna have to get set back by a week. And we're gonna have to pay for another car wash. Like, it's just gonna be a lot of, it's not gonna be good, you know what I mean? So I don't know. I'm not sure how this is gonna go. Let's see. Yeah. We got 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes until we arrive. Sun is still up, but it's gonna go down quick. As soon as the trees get over the sun, it's a wrap. It's a wrap. We're approaching our destination, but it's not where I want it to be. I'm trying to look for somewhere else. I want a very scenic place. I didn't want a regular street. I wanted preferably by the water somewhere, like a parking lot that I could take pictures. Hopefully not too crowded, get the nice background in there, and really just have the features all just busting out of there. So it's time to, we're here, and this is not at all what I'm looking for. This is not what I'm looking for. I need somewhere else. Okay. All right, found another place. It's 7 minutes away. All right, let's do it. Let's do it. This place is gonna be a lot closer to the water. I'm really trying to get a waterfront picture. You know what I mean? It's all about presentation. It's all about presentation. All right, let's get there. Let's get there. Y'all see, I picked a good place, right? Y'all see, I picked a good place, but I just couldn't get that stuff in the background, unfortunately. You know what I mean, at all. And it's nighttime now, but hey, I got some photos. I did get some photos, and they're not bad. You know what I mean? They're not terrible. So we're gonna go ahead and start at this, and once I get some more time, then I'll go ahead, update the photos, raise the price, whatever. All right, bet y'all. So we back at the crib. So what we about to do now is go ahead and sign up on TURO. All right, let's see. So we already logged in. All right, y'all remember my last video? We couldn't do it because I wasn't 21. But now your boy 21, you feel me? So we about to go ahead and let's get it. Come on now, don't play. Into your van. All right, I'm gonna have to block this out. You feel me?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Description. So let's see. Let's make this juicy. Um Actually, let's take somebody else's description and let's make it better. This look pretty good. How many rides he did? 112. I like it. I literally can't spell. Literally. All right. I hope that's how you spell it. I really don't know. I'm really not good at spelling, I'm gonna be honest. Literally. All right, bet. Literally in car features, Bluetooth, USB, sunroof, audio input, GPS, all-wheel drive, next, car photos. All right, I gotta, let them get a look at that interior real quick. Bada boom, bada bang, bang. And let them get to this. By this time, they already fell in love. Now I'm showing just some things. All right, well, just want to click and then you want to resell them at the end. You know what I mean? I like it. And this is after here. Okay. Please work. Now, I'm not sure if this is going to work because I'm in California trying to rent this out elsewhere. Come on. Oh my gosh. Yo, this is lit. This is lit. Like, it actually worked. Oh my goodness. Travels with trips matching your availability. All right, we're all good, man. All right, y'all. All right, guys. So I appreciate you guys watching yet another video. It's up and live, and I can't wait until we get our first booking. That's gonna be amazing. Like, oh my gosh. So that's gonna be super exciting. I'm gonna be super pumped. I'm sure y'all gonna be super pumped, and we're gonna see how this goes. I mean, this is really a huge step. You know what I mean? This is more than just listing this car on Toro. This is one step closer to getting the i8, the BMW i8, and not even having to pay full price for it. You know what I mean? Which is what I'm all about. So yeah, guys, let's see how it goes. I'll catch y'all later. Don't forget to hit the video with a like and subscribe to the channel. Turn the post notifications on, and I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow with another video. All right, peace. All right, peace out, homies.